We're gonna leave that cover on there. I'm gonna jump into the inside corner, which I call inside corner. All right, you can call it whatever you want. I call it an inside corner. Remember, we sanded it. I'm always scraping, always looking. Okay. From the very beginning, I've been telling folks, you know, this is what works for me. I put 3 coats on everything. The first coat being the tape. That's what I call the first coat. The second coat, the heavier coat. And now this is the third coat. So I say I put 3 coats on everything. I just want to clarify that, make sure as a DIYer and a homeowner in the beginning, you understand that. It's not 4 coats, not 5 coats. We can put 4 or 5 coats on, but in this process, we're only putting 3 coats on. If you follow the process correctly, you only need 3 coats in your house. If you have a higher standard, your level, you want to achieve even more greatness, by all means, level 5. You can finish your house that way as well. So the way I polish my corners, full 6-inch knife. Now using my 6-inch knife, the full, I get right up into the corner and I put it on, just like I did with the second coat. However, it's full 6 inches. Okay. And then pull right through that seam. I get back up there. I cut the edge, feather the edge, same as I would on my seams. Okay. I cut that edge first because it's drying. The compound is drying faster. I'm just doing it slightly different. I get right back in there again. I go up to the top. I put full 6-inch knife of compound on. I go straight down. Feather the edge. Okay. Repetition. We are going to finish it the same way we did with the second coat. Okay. Left, right, left. Right, left, left. It doesn't matter. It's one side, 1, 2, 1. That's how it works. We identify my last wipe. We will do it the same way. We wipe down, turn the knife, get that corner in there, pull the compound out, go to the second side, same thing, wipe it down. Okay, pull that compound out of there. This is the last wipe. Get that knife up in there, keep it nice and flat, and pull down and through. That corner is polished. That corner is finished. We're going to wait for it to set up, and we'll brush it down slightly if need be. That is 3 coats on the corner. Okay? First coat being the tape coat. Second coat being the heavier coat. This is the polish coat or third and final coat. 3 coats on the corners. Now you understand the process. Okay? Wide, wider, widest, 6-inch knife. There you have the why. Okay? That corner is complete. Let's get a real good close-up look on it. It looks good. Okay? That's paintable. Okay? We're identifying that where we left that last wipe on the second coat. We're going to get right down in there, down to the bottom. We're going to put the compound in there. We're going to cut the edge. Only because it's drying out. It's humid out. It's drying fast. I keep saying drying out. I guess you could say drying out. Okay? Same thing. Cut the edge. Right? Go to the ground. Go to the floor. Get that knife down there. Angle that knife. Get it in that groove that you created. One side, one side, one side. Same thing. Going up. I was laughing. I got to wipe it again because I was laughing. I wasn't putting enough pressure on the knife. Let me wipe it again. We'll see how much compound we get out of there. Watch. We had a little bit on there. Last wipe. It's going to take all of that compound right out of there. There we go. Okay. Little touch up. Look at that nice crisp corner. What's wrong with that? Your carpenter can come. You went to the ground, went to the floor. He puts his nice base molding in there. You get a nice clean 90 miter. That looks nice. This is nice and crisp and clean. Everything's straight, uniform, okay?